Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix the favicon not showing on Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and if you don't know what the favicon is, so the favicon is this icon right here beside your tab in your browser. So for example, if you go to google.com, it will have a favicon right here with the logo of Google. So you can also do that with your Wix website. So to do that, you just need to go to settings, then go to website settings right here. Then you can change your fav icon right here. But in order to change your fav icon, you need to have a premium plan for Wix so that you can customize and insert your own logo right here. And then you should see your fav icon when you are viewing your published website. So just go to setup, and then right here, go to site actions, and then you can view your live site. So if you haven't published your website yet, you can go to edit site, and then we'll just wait for this to load. Now that the website has loaded, you can just click publish so that you can go ahead and publish your website. Then click view site right here, and then here is the website. And then as you can see, we have the default Wix fav icon. So if for any reason that the fav icon is not showing, what you can do is that you can just close your browser and then open it again. And if that is still not working, you can go to your history, and then from here, you need to delete all of your browsing data so that all of the history right here will be deleted, as well as the bugs that you may have experienced from navigating your browser. And then you just need to reload again your website, and then you can see your fav icon right here. And then as you can see, when the browser is loading, the fav icon briefly disappears since it is loading the fav icon. And then as you can see right here, when you click a new tab, you have the default fav icon right here for Google Chrome. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the fav icon not showing on your Wix website. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.